Yes guys, how's it going? Rick here. Now in today's video what I'm going to be doing is reviewing this. So it's another Viofo dashcam. First of all, I'd like to obviously shout out the guys to at Viofo for actually sending me this out and sponsoring the video. Yeah, if it were for them, this wouldn't obviously be possible. Now, if you've been a long-term subscriber or like been in my car or seen anything, you'd know that my car is always hooked up with a Viofo dashcam. So the one that I've actually got in the car is the A119 3-channel camera. This one that they've actually sent me, so it's the A119 Mini. This one is more user-friendly camera, less expensive, and it still does the job, does exactly what you need it to do. So they've sent me out that, along with the polarizing lens to go over the camera as well. So I'll just put that to a side as I'm not going to be using that. Let me just open this up for you guys as well. First time for me. If I could even get it open. Yeah, so this is the unboxing experience, so let's just take that off. We'll pop that in there. So you're presented with the camera. Now that looks really, really small, so let me just take that out. Just put that to one side and unbag this. So yeah, that is absolutely tiny. Just making sure that's in view. But yeah, just sticks onto the windscreen. This is the GPS module as well underneath, obviously where the stickers are, so that will tell the camera exactly where you are. The lens, which is rotatable, really, really good, that is. So that button there, that's like the panic button. Well, I call it the panic button. So let's just say you was in a crash, you wanted to make sure that you wanted that you had that recorded and it's saved. You literally just hit that button and it will save it automatically. That's the Wi-Fi button, microphone, record, and then that I think would be the menu. The thing I like about this one as well is it's actually got a screen. So the one that I've got, you're only actually able to see when you hook up via Wi-Fi. But yeah, it's really good. USB Type-C as well, so keeping things modern. Got your micro SD card slot there and another USB Type-C slot there. So I do know this one's for power, so that's where you'll plug that in. So I'll put that to one side, and once you lift that up, after that, you're greeted by menu, which you don't really need. Read before installation card. So yeah, check if just little tips. Screen protectors, which are really, really good for the camera. So how much you can get there? Get two. And then just take that out like so. You get another pry tool. Starting to build these up. You get an extra adhesive. Now this came in really handy when I actually swapped over from my FA to this car, so I did obviously need one of these, which came in the box of my old one, so it's good to see that you get another one. This is the USB-A to Type-C, so that's if you want to transfer anything across, like on a PC. And then you've got the power cable, so let me just open this for you guys. I like the way they've done it as well. So you get the cigarette writer, so the 12-volt socket, but it's got USB, two normal USBs there, and then you've got the normal cable, so that will just obviously slot into there, and then this side, Type-C side, will just slot into the camera. So yeah, all in all, really, really good. That is absolutely tiny. Like, look at that. That's absolutely tiny. Oh yes, I already got a screen protector on anyway, so yeah, we'll just leave that on. As I said, obviously my car's really got the front and rear camera from Viofo, so we're going to be installing this into my dad's car. So what I'll do is I'll put it in his car, it's behind the camera. From there, obviously I'll just record on the camera and then show you guys. So yeah. Yes guys, so that's now been booted up for you. There I am, sorry. Literally just switching off the car. Well, that's annoying. It's not like the beamers where it stays on for a bit, so I'm sorry about it. You know what? So I'm just in my dad's Suzuki Swift. So that's now all done. Unfortunately,
please insert the memory card.
There you go. We don't have a memory card. So yeah, that's the only thing I could say about obviously receiving this, but then again it is the cheaper option, so we can't really put it at fault. So please just ignore the beeping. So yeah, here it is in action. Like there's the, if that focuses, will it ever focus? Yeah, there. So you can see my car just there, and then obviously the buttons here. So you know what, I can't even turn this beeping off at the moment because I have to go back into the actual app itself. What I'll do, because I just obviously want to show you guys the camera there, what I'll do is once we've got the memory card, so I'm just going to need to order one. Once we've got that, I'll come back and then, you know, give you a tour through the actual app itself and show you guys a sample video of exactly what it's like. But yeah, from what I can see here, look, it is recording at 1440p, which is 2K. It's got the display as well for the speed. You probably can't see that. It's showing that the mic's on.
Voice recording disabled.
Yeah, there you go. So I can turn it off from there.
Voice recording enabled.
And then turn it back on. So yeah, that's really good. Let me
please insert the memory card.
see if I can turn it off. No, I can't. But yeah, as I said, I'll get back to you guys on this one as soon as the memory card comes. Yes guys, so finally got the memory card installed. So the dash cam's all up there. As you can see, there's a beast over there. But yeah, as you can see, the dash cam's all in place now. I already like messed around with it, but yeah, obviously got the menu button there. So I can just switch through everything. And then the record button, which if I hold, I believe. Yeah, so that's indicating that's stop recording.
Recording started.
And then I just pressed it again, and it's recording. And then with this button, as I said, it's just a Wi-Fi, so
Wi-Fi disabled.
yeah, because I was just connected to it, so yeah, you'll just see that blue light go off. But yeah, it's pretty simple, really good dash cam. What I'm going to do now is show you two clips, one without music, just to give you an audio feel along with a visual, and then another clip as well, just showing you exactly what this camera is about. So yes guys, as you would have seen there, really good quality, audio and visual quality there. But yeah, these Viofo dash cams, they're absolutely amazing. Now, I'm not even saying this just because, you know, they've reached out to me. Like, I would honestly, like, even after having my first one, I would honestly go out there and purchase it with my own money, like, happily. Like, as I said, I've got 2K resolution, so in this one it's 2K. In the one that I've got, which is the A119, that's a 3-channel dash cam. That's got a 2K resolution on the front dash cam as well. The price for both of them, I think, is pretty reasonable, definitely. Especially this one, the value for money that you're getting is absolutely crazy. The only drawback is, obviously, if you want the rear camera, you're then gonna have to go for a different option or purchase a rear camera. But yeah, definitely highly recommend getting one of these cameras. As I said, nice and cheap. Link will be in the description as usual. But yeah, just like to say thank you to the guys at Viofo again for actually sponsoring this video and getting me this dash cam sent out. But yeah guys, I'll see you soon. I'll catch you in the next one. A nice one.